Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your language on YouHodler. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in youhodler.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official YouHodler website where you can click on the sign in button at the top right corner and use your login credentials to log into your account. Now, once you are logged into your account, you can simply tap on the profile option to get into your profile and settings page. Now, from this page, just scroll down until you see the language section. Then simply click on the drop-down menu and you can select from 5 different languages. Just go ahead and click on any language that you prefer and you will see that your selected language will immediately be applied. You can come back to this menu anytime and choose the language that you wish and it will directly be changed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your language on YouHodler. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.